Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare sea moss versus seaweed. Let's dive into their fundamental differences. Sea moss, specifically Irish moss, is a red algae known for its thick, gelatinous texture when prepared. Seaweed, on the other hand, is a general term encompassing thousands of species, from large kelp forests to the thin sheets of nori used in sushi. While both are marine plants, their classifications and common uses vary significantly, impacting how they are consumed and their specific nutritional profiles. Now, let's look at their nutritional powerhouses. Sea moss is often lauded for containing 92 of the 102 minerals our bodies need, including iodine, calcium, and potassium. Seaweed varieties like kelp are particularly rich in iodine, sometimes providing over 100% of the daily recommended value in a small serving. Both are excellent sources of dietary fiber, antioxidants, and various vitamins, contributing to overall wellness and gut health. Beyond nutrition, their culinary applications differ. Sea moss is frequently prepared as a gel, which can be added to smoothies, teas, desserts, and even used as a thickener in savory dishes. Seaweed has a much broader culinary presence, from nori wraps for sushi to kombu for broths and wakame in salads. You can find both sea moss and various seaweeds dried, powdered, or as convenient supplements, making them versatile additions to your diet. Finally, let's explore their health benefits. Sea moss is praised for its potential to boost immunity, improve digestion, and support healthy skin due to its rich mineral content. Seaweed, especially iodine-rich varieties, is crucial for thyroid function and metabolism. Both offer anti-inflammatory properties and contribute to a balanced diet. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you feeling your best. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.